Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Lexus RX 350 key fob. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, which is commonly used for these fobs. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or simply use the emergency key from your fob. Having a clean, organized, and well-lit workspace will make this quick process even smoother and prevent losing any small parts. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Look for the small release button, usually located on the side. Press this button firmly and then slide out the physical emergency key blade. This key is crucial for manual entry if your battery ever dies. Removing it exposes a small slot or notch, which is our primary entry point to access the battery compartment inside the fob. With the emergency key removed, insert its tip or your small flathead screwdriver into the exposed notch. Gently twist the tool to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Once open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it, remembering which way the positive side was facing. Now, insert your new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until they snap securely into place. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until you hear a reassuring click. Finally, take a moment to test your key fob's functionality. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.